The sun unleashed a massive X-class solar flare on Monday, causing major fluctuations in the ionosphere above India. The solar storm had the potential to cause radio blackouts and cause disruptions in global positioning systems, according to the Center of Excellence in Space Sciences India. The solar flare erupted from a region beyond the southwest limb of the sun, impacting the most in areas over India, Southeast Asia, and the Asia-Pacific regions. Solar flares are brief and powerful eruptions of high-energy radiation from the sun's surface associated with sunspots and can cause radio and magnetic disruptions on Earth. In a series of tweets, Indian wrestler and BJP leader Babita Phogat has again sparked controversy by saying that Hindu society never promotes riots, adding that everyone knows which society instigates riots in the country. In another tweet, the wrestler accused the Aam Aadmi Party of orchestrating the riots in Jahangirpuri during Hanuman Jayanti and called it a party of goons and criminals. Accusing AAP leaders and workers of indulging in violence, Phogat said this was proved during riots in Shaheen Bagh and everything was out in the open once the investigation was complete. Stones were pelted at a Hanuman Jayanti procession in Jahangirpuri, thereby instigating communal clashes. B.C. Nagesh, the Karnataka Primary and Secondary Education Minister, announced that moral science will be a part of the curriculum from this academic year and it won't just be restricted to one religion. He further added that the essence of all the religions will be a part of the moral science curriculum. The curriculum will be decided by a committee and there will be no exams on the subject. Earlier, when questioned about teaching the Bhagavad Gita in schools, CM Bommai said a decision on introducing Bhagavad Gita in school curriculum will be taken after discussions, as he maintained that the scripture imparts moral values. In a meeting of the Delhi Disaster Management Authority, wearing masks in public places has been made mandatory in Delhi amid the rising COVID cases in the capital. A decision to enhance testing, focus on vaccination coverage of the targeted population, and ensure strict enforcement of COVID-appropriate behavior was also taken in the meeting. It was decided in the meeting that standard operating procedures should be laid down for schools and their strict enforcement by school management should be ensured. A fine of ₹500 may also be imposed for not wearing masks. India has successfully tested a BrahMos supersonic cruise missile from the guided missile destroyer INS Delhi. On Wednesday, officials of BrahMos told news agency ANI that the missile, which was fired on Tuesday with a speed of around 3,000 km per hour, created a hole in the abandoned ship. The missile travels at speed of around 3,000 km per hour and it is difficult to intercept by air defense systems, the officials reported. The missile hit the target with accuracy and precision, officials said. The ship sank after the missile with warhead hit it directly.